Hi, this is Steve Reiner from Integrated Semantics, showing my MCP server for Alfresco. I'm showing it with Claude Desktop, which is a little more end-user focused. Then I'll just real briefly show the MCP inspector, which is more developer focused with control over what you put in the arguments. Okay, so the main, I've already have it into File Settings, Developer, to show how you would configure it. It's already configured, but basically you would add in a configuration. Basically, I'm using UVX, and this is the name of the server, Python Alfresco MCP server, and that's that. And today, not in the build, but in the GitHub, there's the README is focused on UVX and UV, and then there's samples for all clients that have that there also updated today. So let's go back and let's start using. Yeah, the main thing is it's showing it's running. That's the blue. Blue is good. So you can do a new query, but I'm just to speed up. I'm going to do these ones prompts I've already done. I'm going to do getting repository info. There's a tool and a resource that both do the same thing. Basically, I'll just tell you I'm running on Alfresco Community. You can do Enterprise. I'm using 251, and it tells you all the details. It's just basically Discovery REST API. Basically, I'm using my Python Alfresco API that has APIs for all 7 REST APIs of Alfresco, and then this Discovery is one of them. Okay, do a create folder. Actually, the old name there, and then it will list what's in shared. It'll list what's in the home directory. And since I'm as an admin, the home will be the root. So it works. Imagine that. Okay, so it did create the folder. It gives you the ID, node ID. Shared folder contents kind of summarizes it, but you can look above if you expand out these things here. And then home directory again is still the root. Then what else I can do? I don't need to. I've already done that. Okay. Now I'll do search next. Basically, I have one query here that does all 4 searches: basic, advanced, metadata, and CMIS search or query. Basically, each of these is a separate tool that you can call through basically the MCP server has 15 tools, and these are 4 of them. So they all worked. Imagine that. Basic search, just the full text of content and metadata. Advanced search is just have some form of fields that you can plug in things, and metadata, the same sort of thing. Well, you see from the MCP inspector, and then the CMS search does. I think it's looking for like text, actually, not PDF. Okay, so they all work, and then the upload. This one is cool because basically in one prompt, I'm going to create upload a document, but not from a file, but from basically base64, just by giving it the text to create inside it. And then I get properties, I update properties, I check out, cancel checkout, check out again, check in as a major version, download, and upload a PDF with a real file path this time. So basically, let me oh, it's running. Okay, forgot I ran it. Okay, so system. Let's see. Oops. Okay, I'm just trying again. I don't know what all went wrong. Maybe it says running the inspector also at the same time. Did it with another MCP server on HTTP. Okay, so let's do. Oh, okay. Let's go back to where it tries. First tries with the path, and then it tries with base 64, which is the correct thing. Get the node properties, update node properties, update the tile, update the tile's been updated. Let's see. Cancel checkout. Dog's checked out again. Excellent. Oh, I've been checked in as the major version 2.0 now, and then the second document is uploaded to the PDF, so that from a file path, so that works. So everything works. I don't know what's going wrong previously. Could be Claude's fault. Okay, so all that worked. Okay, so basically I did search, all the document management stuff, and creating folders, browsing. Oh, one thing is there's these little buttons here. Basically you can do this add. It's basically doing the resource, which is repository info. It's also a tool to use. Maybe there's better things to use on the resource. And then search and analyze is basically a prompt template that makes a prompt for you when you give it sort of parameters stuff. I won't do that. Okay, so basically that's Claude desktop. Oh, and you can get a free version, and the pro version, which I just started, can use a little more, have less limits on it. Then okay, here's the MCP inspector. So basically, resources, possible info, the prompt template thing, then all the tools here, and like the main thing is that each tool, you can set the arguments or parameters, basically, for what you use on them. So basically all 15 tools here, and like CMS is kind of interesting. You got like a pre-cooked thing here, so basically it works. Everything works. So that's that, and then also going to show that I have I need some stars on the GitHub projects for the MCP server. Give me some stars, please. And then the Alfresco API, the Python API, is this other project. So it's Steve Reiner and then Python Alfresco API, or Steve Reiner Python Alfresco MCP server. And then this is my .org, integratedsemantics.org. I'm on X. Oops, that's not the right one. Anyway, yeah, I'm on. It's showing my here. Yeah, Steve Reiner on X or Twitter. And then the MCP server is on PyPI, so you can just download it without the source and run it, but you still need Python installed, and actually now you need like UV installed, or you can do pip or pipx, so basically, and then the Alfresco Python API is also on PyPI. .org, so it's hard to say. And that's it. So that's it. Thank you. Give them a try. Thank you.